She got love for me, it's not what I'm looking for, my girl. Stay one night with me, take a little step into my world. I'm not just anybody, can't have no friends around me. Like who the fuck now can I trust? Like who the fuck now can I trust? Like who the fuck now can I trust? This clout shit is a drug, and everybody wanna buzz. I'm too G'd up in the club. When you link me, you just wanna fuck. When you see me, you'll tell me what's up. You gon' sign a disclosure or what? I know everybody got intentions. Don't want money, they just want attention. I'm like, what the fuck happened to friendship? I get caught up in reading my mentions. I don't got no answers. This hate shit spread like cancer. Flying overseas, I need peace of mind. I just need some time. Sit back, free my mind. Don't kick it with you guys. See pussy all up in your eyes. Don't push no reach like I might. I'm ballin', I'm about to take flight. Yeah, she threw me some neck, it was hype. Say she fire, I say she alright. Man, them low-key bitches my type. Who ain't been around the block more than twice. Need a bitch who could take me new heights. I like grown bitches who a little feist. Cause we mixin' like fire and ice. And I'm sticking like China and white. I turned to a superstar overnight. Vixen in the coupe, she get me right. Praying they don't shoot when I'm outside. Lord, protect my life. I'm just trying to do right. I fuck up sometimes, I know. Yeah, but I've been the chosen one since a little shawty. I'm going up and these niggas can't stop me. Came out the hood, we was smoking on poppies. I can't go back to them days moving sloppy. Niggas is haters, they plotting to rob me. They want me sitting in prison like Bobby. I'm getting money, they calling me snobby. Rich nigga lifestyle, I got some new hobbies. I'm on a Spanish bitch, sound like some Takis. Hold on my neck and I'm flooding my timepiece. My bitch, my whip, my check is a dime piece. I'm sticking my shit for you little niggas aunties. Decisions I made, they probably gon' haunt me. But nigga, I'm born for the fight like Rocky. Just keep it 100, bitch, don't lie to me. I got real niggas on the side of me. Self-made, bitch, out of my salary. Now I'm making movies in reality. Jumped up in the game, fuck gravity. Now I ain't go to college, fuck academy. I just took his bitch, now he mad at me. She want me in her jaw like cavity. I like them Asian like Japanese. I like them French just cause my French fuck abstinence. She think I'm about to cuff, it's not happening. She let me tear it, then I spear it like javelin. Met her on the flight, she was traveling. I touched down in the city, wreaking havoc in it. She want me for my wallet, it's a magnet. And she said she don't do coke, she just dabbling. I'm just here for the bags, I ain't babbling. Cut the chat, I don't wanna talk, I can't rap with them. Pull up to the city and I'm tapping it. I got face cards, niggas see me and they dapping it. Respect me as a man or I ain't jacking it. I'm a thoroughbred and I ain't mixed with no average. Stand up for my rights like Kaepernick. One man army front line, I'm the